welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Minister of State for Finance Dr. Bhagwat Kishanarak Karat boosts healthcare in southwest Garo Hills. Agriculture Minister Kailash Chaudhary pays homage to Tirat Singh in Mairang visit. Union cooks push for salary hike, secure assurance from Education Ministry. And Deputy Chief Minister Tinsong addresses road infrastructure deficit in Meghalaya. And now the news in detail. Minister of State for Finance Dr. Bhagwat Kishanrak Karat, accompanied by MP Agathake Sangma and MLA Subir Marak, visited Southwest Garo Hills on the 29th of January. During the visit to Ampati Civil Hospital, Karat interacted with doctors, nurses and staff, emphasizing the need to expedite recruitment to fulfill the Prime Minister's vision of a developed India by 2047. Karat encouraged healthcare professionals to redouble efforts for the well-being of the community, urging a collective effort towards a healthier Meghalaya. Agatha and Subir expressed gratitude on behalf of the public for Karat's support.
Management is totally different from the state government. We have various departments there.
If there is some urban population, then there is a municipal council and Nagar Palika or Nagar Panchayat. And rural to that, beyond that, in a rural area, there is a Panchayat Raj.
Yes.
So there is these two types of systems are there.
Right.
So what is here? This is two types or it's only one type?
So like I said, since we don't have the Panchayati Raj system here, the alternate is the autonomous district councils.
Okay.
And then we have the MLAs in the state level. So that's how it
In the villages we have, sir, Nokmas.
Ah.
Nokmas are the custodians of the lands. In
traditional system.
Traditional system. Nokmas and Loskos are there in the villages. So they are the custodians of the land as well as the decision makers in the village. Nokma.
And is there any Sarpanch system? Sarpanch you understand?
Yeah, no Sarpanch, but Nokmas are there.
Instead of Sarpanch, you say
Instead of Sarpanch, there are Nokmas.
how you spell it?
Nokma.
N-O-K.
And M.
But Nokmas are generally headed.
N-O-K-M.
Nokma.
M-N.
Nokma.
Nokma. Nokma means Sarpanch.
Yeah.
But Sarpanches are elected, isn't it? They are elected.
हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्कूल में से बच्चे पढ़े कैसे, इसके लिए भी हम काम करेंगे। जल जीवन मिशन के लिए केंद्र सरकार के आए वाला जो निधि है अच्छी तरह से यूटिलाइज हो रहा है। ऑलमोस्ट 85% काम हो चुका है जल जीवन मिशन का। 15% काम है तो हो सकता है। प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना में काम होने की जरूरत है। प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना नीड्स इम्प्रूवमेंट, तो जिसमें केंद्र सरकार के माध्यम से 1.5 लाख मिलते हैं, तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा अगर लोगों को अवेयरनेस आया तो अवेयरनेस के माध्यम से काम हो सकता है। किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड के बारे में और एनिमल हस्बेंड्री, फिशरी, इसमें नया स्कोप है। समझो फार्मर के पास खेती भी नहीं है और कुछ एनिमल हस्बेंड्री के माध्यम से यानी डेयरी का बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं, उनको भी पैसा मिल सकता है और फिशरी के माध्यम से ही पैसा मिल सकता है। तो ये लोगों में अवेयरनेस लाने की जरूरत है। इसलिए हमने डिसाइड किया है, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी का टाइम लेके उनके साथ मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट के साथ एक वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग हम करेंगे। जो अधिकारी है यहाँ के, जो सिर्फ मेघालय के नहीं, जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट के अधिकारी, मेन अधिकारी, उनके साथ बैठ के हम बैठक करेंगे और हमारे यहाँ के यानी मेघालय के अधिकारी को हम वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के माध्यम से करेंगे और सभी क्षेत्र में जो केंद्र सरकार की स्कीम्स है, केंद्र सरकार के स्कीम्स के माध्यम से यहाँ पेनिट्रेशन, फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन और फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी के बारे में ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को मदद कैसा मिले, इसके लिए हम काम करेंगे। मैं बताना चाहता हूं हमारे देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री माननीय मोदी जी का सपना है कि उन्होंने संकल्प किया है 2047 में भारत को विकसित राष्ट्र बनाना है और विकसित राष्ट्र बना के भारत को एक विश्व गुरु बनाना है जो सभी दुनिया को मार्गदर्शन करे। इसीलिए हम सभी को प्रयास करना पड़ेगा। केंद्र सरकार के माध्यम से जो अलग अलग स्कीम्स है, जो देहात में 17-18 स्कीम्स है, अर्बन एरिया में भी कुछ स्कीम्स है, उस स्कीम्स का ज्यादा से ज्यादा पेनिट्रेशन करने के लिए मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट को पूछा भी तो 4 रथ भी यहाँ आए हैं, उसके माध्यम से अवेयरनेस हो रहा है और हम लोक प्रतिनिधि भी अवेयरनेस करेंगे। पर्टिकुलरली इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर में इधर थोड़ा कम काम है, तो हमारे लोकसभा सांसद मैडम से भी और एमएलए साहब से बात हो गई। तो एक है कि फूड प्रोसेसिंग्स में क्या काम कर सकते हैं, पर्टिकुलरली कैशूनट है या हॉर्टिकल्चर में है, तो उसमें समझो जूस बनाना है तो जूस प्रिजर्व करके कैसा बाहर भेज सकते हैं, इसके लिए भी काम हो सकता है। सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप अच्छे बने हैं, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप बहुत सारे बने हैं, अभी सीएम साहब से बात हो गई, लेकिन सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप को जो लोन देना था वो कम है, पेनिट्रेशन कम है, तो उसके ऊपर भी हम इम्प्रूव करेंगे। इसलिए मैं तो पूरे देश का एमओएस फाइनेंस हूँ, तो इसमें लिए काम करके हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को मदद कैसा मिले इसके ऊपर काम करेंगे। कुछ पूछना है तो पूछो।
Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare of India, Kailash Chaudhary, participated in a crucial meeting at the Krishi Vigyan Kendra in Shillong, Mairang, East and West Khasi Hills district on January 29th. During his visit, Chaudhary paid respects to Tirat Singh by placing flowers at his statue in Mairang. Accompanied by local BJP leaders, the minister engaged in discussions throughout the day. G. Kharmau Plang, the DC, and other officials were also present on this day. On January 29, Banalis AIM President of the Union Cooks Cum Helpers announced a pivotal development for school cooks in the state. SAIM revealed that the union's leaders recently met with Sanjay Kumar, Secretary of the Ministry of Education, Indian government, on January 23rd. They empathically presented their demand to increase monthly salaries from 2,000 to 5,000 rupees. Sanjay Kumar attentively listened and pledged to address the matter, promising to arrange a meeting with high officials. SAIM emphasized that this collective effort represents the interests of all 20,000 school cooks in the state, highlighting their unified stance for improved compensation.
Secretary Diction. Pada laju Khubor na kaliam jongka Union of Cook Cum Helper ni don kane kajing kapat Shah Prime Minister Narendra Modi ha kabaun sneusen yagi ki Cook Cum Helper baro jongka dong shetay lamingi ba unyara ban putkiu kane ka onarium na kasorkar na kabha jongka sorkar India hi baro away. Pada kaju Khubor ngabu kane kajing kapat kabak khamat mo ya unong yalam lane ulida ubade himan la wishmo mo shama ubade ulida jongka North East baro away ba un panyakran lem ya kini kikam jongi ha kabayade bat ka sorkar India hangte hapo Delhi te na kaliang jonga kum ka presiden mo jong ka Union of Cook Cum Helper ngadon kane kamansim ka Bashirham kamansim ka basnga tanah ban bana ban pentip ya kane ka Khubor namar ba kakum ka jinglap ka jingsyam jumi ha Khubor ka bangidon hadali ngidon ka jingkermen ka ba hadu kata-kata na ka bata kine kikam ki ba mangi akran hangte tena kaliang junga ngadon tan kine ki Khubor ban pentip ban pensap syabaro lengba kine ki kikam ki ba mangi ilade ban akran setay lishma
kani ka maternity leave isa kare ban apply hakiko ne habaro helo ni subsna takkai ne kani lo kumbalo hado manta hagi ki arusna wala entrekam ya ka midemi na pe fosha ikini kampatrika tanda kada hagane ila ikar muskatriro bat ka debat jong ka National Commission for Human Kongdelina Kongdo ba inchim khia halo kene namar hamta majala Meghalaya ro kampatrika te ai baka commission kare banle but secretary of ministry in keren te kata ginang up ba nado issue April ke financial year je sarkar India kade bantri kan ne kam maternity leave ren apply khnang namar kan nikala dei ka jingbo jong bulai dei ka bale khna ngada kada kandan ka jing no ka jing ya pi kilo kami tandai kan ni maternity leave ru kade bandan bat ka jing seal hakitu ki banai ki badang arbu ikro dikata ada gawai ke bangsan te na penorang tar kumbalong ka jela Meghalaya jumi kala hagine shop smash kala pen save man lo bunai tigidan ke jingkerman ro ba apa ka jingalam jong director swapnil tambe na do boshimti ula law ki sa padat ki badan apa ka PM portion sel na ka finance department ro te kadai kenal mi banta ni lang yakren director o bagani next financial year badai ban siu na manuna ma ba ki nang shajja ni ki kukam helpa kisat na do Monday to Friday malakas te hadir aku guna ke de bisa dan poi ko ka account jong ki ko segawai pat ke banta ke bakham husa chu ni ka kaliga bisa onoria badai ban poi ha bank account jong ki ko ta ni nagalem ko jong ni bo ko jingkar pa ya borok ki head teacher ki principal headmaster and mistress ki bapanya ki committee meal pi portion hajala Meghalaya usnya ha ki to ki bampat aila ne ki bampat principal ye ki kumban play ke account ne ban ai ka honorarium ba nado kane ki banai February stam school ki dai ban ai no ha ka account jo ki ko balai ni ha ban bo ko jingkar pa ni la padang bon nanggun ki bampat Pediang member entrai kam yang hukum jongka sarkar India dan penpoi bagi ke bisa hak account jongko. Tena taka daw magkani de ka way ni kay bo ka jingkarpa. Kanang bagi ko kan long lay loy ki. Kitray ka kam kinyo bisa ka account kadan ro ka jing.
Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong on the 29th of January highlighted a concern 300 villages in Meghalaya lack road connectivity. Tensong, speaking after a meeting, attributed this to the continuous emergence of new villages annually. He assured support from the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana (PMGSY) to address the infrastructure gap in these villages in the upcoming years.
As you all know, we have 3 PMGSY. Number 1 is PMGSY 1, PMGSY 2 and PMGSY 3. So my review meeting today is about the completion of the PMGSY 1 and PMGSY 2 because the government of India has already set the target that we need to complete it within 31st March 2024. So I'm happy to inform to all of you that only maybe few projects, which is very, very critical, we are still yet to reach to the target point as indicated by the ministry, but however, I'm very sure within these few months left, we'll be able to complete it 100% with the implementation of PMGSY 1 and PMGSY 2. Then point number 2, I also reviewed about the implementation of PMGSY 3, and PMGSY 3 is working well, and I'm very sure again, because as I said to you, the target is only for the PMGSY 1 and 2, and PMGSY 3 still we have space, and the work is on, and some contractors has already completed, and then some of them they are yet to start. So these are the issues where we
Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong revealed on the 29th of January that the prolonged clash concerning Yeo Maulong's fate has persisted for not less than 3 years. The impasse attributed to the Harijan Panchayat Committee's lack of response remains under scrutiny by a team from New Delhi. Tensong expressed optimism that a resolution is imminent. He anticipates the relocation of Yeo Maulong residents to designated government areas. As the matter continues to unfold, Tensong's hopeful stance signals potential progress in bringing closure to this prolonged issue.
In fact, that we have already communicated. We are yet to receive the date exactly. We have already discussed with, because we are waiting also for the availability of those leaders from Delhi, the President and the General Secretary of Khuborjylla over there, because they were also part of the committee. So we have already sought indicated the time, so we are yet to receive. But we wanted to complete this pending issue as early as possible. As I said to you, I will not indicate exactly when, but from the government side, we are ready. We wanted to meet them, and once they indicate the time, we will fix accordingly. But we really wanted to complete this pending.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.